Enjoy this sneak peek of retro and vintage. There are 5 hairstyles you're going to learn in this course. The classic flip is really a lot of fun. This is a version of a French twist style, and there is a live tutorial on that. Every course includes skill supporting tutorials so that you can learn the individual skills necessary to follow these looks. Victory rolls is a really popular hairstyle, and my step-by-step courses make these looks much easier to do. There are courses for all ages and all hair lengths. This section is about large pin curls and this really pretty look. It's very modern and festival hair. Here is one other style on how to have this fun look. I hope to see you inside.